Hello, welcome to R&RmomPLANS. My name is Angelique and this is my channel on my planner style. In today's video, it's a plan with me in my home section for the week of the 11th through the 17th. In this week's plan with me, I am going to use the seasons of color and of course every week, as I always, use the household. In the home section of my planner system, I usually label my chores, areas of the house that are going to be cleaned, any of my monthly deep cleans, bills that may be due. I don't do the meal planning until I actually plan in the planner, so I don't label it in here, but it's usually everything that needs to happen here at the home, even if it's on the exterior of the house. So when I purchased this, when I was doing all of the other sections of my planner, I definitely was falling in love with the Seasons of Color planner sticker book. And the reason for that is I feel like I have more room on this layout to use these stickers than I do anywhere else. So I think I really want to use this one because I kept trying to use it, and this one. Are those leaves different? But the pumpkins are the same. Okay. Does one of these say honestly, I could even use this because of the yellow. Okay. So let's just get started. Do I want to white it out? Where's my little goo bag? Oops. Oh, that's not working in my favor right now. And I need to go up, and I actually need to take this line with me. So let me just get it here. And then we'll go dee 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 dee. That's fine. Alright. At least it doesn't have the line behind it, right? So we have that. Excuse me. So kind of want to bring in this flower and even this flower along the center. Or should I just cluster them? Barely have this one on that. And then have this one like right there. I don't know if this is gonna look cute or not, but kind of make it have a and then I will cut the others out. But this way, honestly, I'm using these because I have gold boxes and I want to use something to label this with. So that means I am what? Adding a sticker book. And where did it go? Always using you, so I know you're not far. Colorful boxes. Let's just get them out. Alright, so we're going to use these. And we're going to have Mondays right here on the line. And then we're going to have Tuesdays up here. Wednesdays will be down below. With a bigger box. I should add a bigger box up here too because the kids are out of school this week. Or on Monday. And then Thursday, we'll throw it up here. Friday. Put it a little lower right there. Saturday, we'll do a little lower right there. I want to label that the kids are going to be home because the kids are going to be all over the house. Okay, so there's that. I don't have any of the other that's going to work. I think the greens are too bright. Let's just go ahead and try to pull in the household real quick. So, oh, gotta buy another book. I think they're sold out on the Happy Planner right now. But I know they're at Hobby Lobby. Laundry. This time I'm not going to put them on the sticker box. And bathtub is on Thursday. We take care of our pets on Sunday. That's why it has a big box along with the vehicle. Coming back from football. My car has so much stuff in it. The vacuum represents the living room, but also vacuuming the house. And then I have the bedroom on Tuesday. So I do all the bedrooms on Tuesday. Trash day is also on Tuesday. We're going to put that down here. We take care of our monthly items. Our monthly quarterly items are also done either on a Wednesday or a Thursday. This is the week, well, between the 15th and the 20th is when I shampoo carpet. So, and I will put my little John right there, my toilet. And then I water my flowers also on Sunday and Monday. And then let's see what else. What else can I put in here? I think these are always too bright. They'll be good for spring. Like spring and summer, I will be using these. Still haven't done my big checklist. And I think that's going to be it. So this is household. Colorful boxes. And seasons of color. It's always super simple, but it has an impact and a purpose. Okay, I was gonna think about using these gold ones, but I think it's just gonna be way too much gold after I've already labeled everything with gold because I brought the gold in with these to have the gold there. So I think it's fine the way that it is. All right, so seasons of color, colorful boxes, and household for the week of October 11th through the 17th. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope that this spread brings you inspiration to your planner style. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to stay in the loop. If you would like notifications, just ring that bell. I love hearing from you in your comments, and until next time.